So this is our equation. We have 4x equals 3y minus 7. Then over here we have x equals 4, 5, and 6. What it's asking us to do is get this y all by itself. We're going to isolate it. To do that, we'll get rid of this negative 7. We get rid of a negative 7 by adding 7. And since it's an equation, we have to add 7 to both sides. When we add 7 to both sides, our new equation becomes 4x plus 7, because remember, these aren't like terms. We can't add them together. The 3y still stays the same, and that negative 7 and the positive 7 cancel each other out. Our next step is to get rid of this 3. Since the y is multiplied by 3, we divide by 3. Since, again, it's an equation, we have to divide both sides by 3. Over here, we can't reduce that. So it stays the same, 4x plus 7 divided by 3. But these 3's canceled out, and we have a y. Now our y is isolated, and we can continue to the next step. Remember, the original equation had 4, 5, and 6 for x. We have our new equation over here, which is, of course, the same as the old equation, just in different terms. What we're going to do is create a chart with x being 4, 5, and 6. Now all we have to do is figure out what y is going to be when x is 4. I rewrite my equation from here down here, substituting 4 for x. So 4 times 4 plus 7 divided by 3. 4 times 4 is 16. We still have the plus 7 divided by 3. 16 plus 7 is 23 divided by 3 equals y. Well, unfortunately, 23 divided by 3 can't be reduced any further. I could make it a mixed number of 7 and 2/3, but I'm just going to leave it as 23 over 3. So I put 23 over 3 next to my 4. Now for the 5. We substitute 5 in for the equation. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 7 divided by 3. We add the 7 to get 27 divided by 3. And 27 divided by 3 is just 9. It's a nice whole number. Y equals 9. So when x equals 5, y equals 9. One last one to solve for, 6. I substitute 6 in for x. So I have 4 times 6 plus 7. 4 times 6 is 24. We still have the plus 7. 24 plus 7 is 23. And 23 divided by 3 is, again, another term that we can't reduce any further. If we wanted to make it a mixed number, it would be 10 and 1/3. But I'm just going to leave it as 31 over 3. Show all of this work on a single sheet of paper, and you have one answer.